In this video, I'm going to give you some tips for how you can get multiple offers and get court approval when selling your probate real estate. Hi, my name is Reen, sounds like green. I'm a probate real estate agent and a three-time personal representative. I help families across the United States get through probate with more money and less stress. And I am not an attorney. As always, please consult legal and tax professionals before making any probate decisions. Now, let's talk about how you could get multiple offers and make court approval a lot easier when selling probate real estate. Step 3, multiple offers. And I think I've already covered a lot of this, but we'll run through it quickly. I start with the iBuyers to establish a baseline. There is nothing worse than seeing an ad on TV or somebody's billboard where they talk about how they'll give you a guaranteed offer, any house, any condition. That's your backup plan. And then when you go to execute your backup plan after you've exhausted all the other options, then you find out that your house doesn't fit the buy box and you are in tough shape. So I always start with this step first, and I will contact the iBuyers on behalf of my clients when I know that the house meets the buy box and take care of everything. Then I work with the cash buyers. So after I've reached out to the iBuyers to establish a baseline price, then I will go to my cash buyers to get multiple offers for the court and the family. And this is a lot of times we could do this very quickly as well, just by doing something like a cash buyer open house, something that a lot of agents don't do. I do it. It's very successful, and we can usually generate 5 to 7 offers on a typical house within 2 to 3 hours, even if the house is in the worst condition that you can imagine. So now that we have offers from the iBuyer and the cash buyer, then a lot of times the family will choose to put the house on the MLS for a couple of weeks to get multiple exposure to the most buyers and see if we get any additional offers. And last but not least, I always encourage the families I work with to give people in the family a chance to match the best offer that we get. All right, so just think about it for a second. If the only offers that came in were from cash buyers and they're at 60 to 70% of ARV, there's going to be someone in the family that's really upset and they accuse you of selling the house for a really low amount, right? So they think the house is worth 300,000 and you get a cash offer for 175, and they're all frustrated, right? Just fix it up. Take 6 months, fix it up, get to 300,000. I'll do the work. It'll be work. Right? You've all heard those things before. Well, rather than doing that, what I recommend is if our best cash offer or our best offer total from MLS or cash, if it's 175, give people in the family 24 hours to match that offer, right? So if our best offer is 175 and they are an heir and they get a portion of the inheritance, they can buy it for even less than 170, right? 175 minus their portion, and they get a chance to buy the house at what they think is a great price. You still have sold the house for the money that you can possibly get, and you know that because you've worked with iBuyers, cash buyers, and MLS buyers, and you keep the house in the family. Now, a lot of times what will happen is when it's time for family members who are complaining to get the checkbook out, a lot of times they'll just pass, right? So instead of, they'll be complaining that you're selling the house for too low at 175, and then you say, well, you can buy it at 175 minus your inheritance, but I need to know in the next 24 hours. And guess what? They disappear and they're happy with the 175 offer at that point. So this is an extra step that I put in my 3 steps just to keep peace within the family and help everybody to sleep better at night, knowing that the house sold at the highest maximum amount and everybody, including family, had a chance to match the best offer and keep the house in the family. Number 4 really saves people a lot of time and a lot of headaches. So those are that's how we solicit multiple offers and make sure that we're getting the best offer. One thing that is different here is I'm not relying on those appraisals. I'm relying on the marketplace, right? So a lot of you have probably been in situations where you go out and you get an appraisal for a probate home, and depending on the market conditions or the time of the year and the condition of the house, there's no way that you can get the amount in the appraisal. With multiple offers, a lot of times my clients can take their multiple offers back to the probate judge or the referee, explain, or I do this for them. I will explain the situation, explain the multiple offers and why the offer that is being accepted is reasonable given the situation. And a lot of times the court will approve it, even if there's no appraisal. Now, I realize that in some states, in some jurisdictions, an appraisal is required no matter what. But a lot of people assume that an appraisal is required even when it's not. And so by bringing in multiple offers from iBuyers, cash buyers, and the MLS, a lot of times the court will be much more open to those offers if you need to get court approval. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so we can get the word out and help more families going through probate. For more information, just reach out to me anytime or just stay tuned and watch the next video. Thanks and have a great day.